In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with WordPress. Whether you're looking to streamline your lead management process or enhance customer relationship management, this guide will help you bridge the gap between your WordPress site and Zoho CRM efficiently. To get started, you'll first need to install the Zoho CRM Lead Magnet plugin. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Hover over Plugins, and then click on Add New. Once the new page loads, navigate to the search bar located on the upper right and type in Zoho CRM Lead Magnet. You should see the plugin appear in the search results. Simply click the Install Now button next to it. This step is crucial because this plugin will serve as the bridge between your WordPress site and your Zoho CRM account. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and click the Activate button. This does more than just turn on the plugin. It enables the functionality needed for the two platforms to communicate. Now, you must authenticate your Zoho CRM account to establish a secure connection. This is essential to ensure data is transferred safely and accurately between sites. After activation, you'll be prompted to connect your Zoho CRM account. Follow the instructions provided within the plugin interface. Typically, you'll be required to enter your Zoho CRM login credentials and authorize WordPress to access your account. This authentication step connects your WordPress site to your Zoho account, enabling seamless integration. With the plugin activated and authenticated, it's time to integrate a web form into your WordPress site. One of the standout features of this plugin is its ability to handle data input using Zoho-managed web forms. These forms are excellent for capturing visitor information directly from your site and funneling it into your CRM without additional manual entry. Locate the shortcodes provided by the Zoho CRM Lead Magnet. Shortcodes are snippets of code that allow you to insert complex content into pages and posts. Copy the relevant shortcode designed for your form and paste it into any page or post where you'd like the form to appear. This makes it easy for visitors to input their information straight into your CRM. Once visitors submit their information through these forms, submissions will automatically generate entries in your Zoho CRM. Depending on your setup, these can either create new leads or contacts. This seamless integration means your sales team can immediately start working on these new opportunities without any delays or additional data entry. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively set up your Zoho CRM integration with WordPress, enhancing your capability to manage leads and contacts right from your website. Remember to regularly check both systems to ensure everything remains synchronized and effective. Happy integrating, and see you in the next video.